Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Metal Sonic. Metal Sonic is a really cool version of Sonic that was in kind of a few video games and I think some of the cartoons as well. But we're just going to go over how to draw, Metal Sonic's head, and it's going to be like really easy. And that's it. It's real easy, simple, completely for a beginner if you're a beginner. Okay, so let's kind of get started. All right, real simple stuff. So I'm going to draw a line here for, it's going to be like curved line here for the front of Sonic's brow, or Metal Sonic's brow. I mean, obviously he's like a bad guy too, so. I'm actually going to run that line longer, like here, up. And then run it down. So it's kind of like an even triangle. If you like Sonic characters, by the way, let me know, or hit the like. It's going to let me know to draw more Sonic stuff. Or if you have any requests, like maybe very specific scenarios with Sonic, you can write them in the description. That's really going to help out as well. Because I'm really looking for suggestions. I'm going to go over here and draw his ear, which is going to be just a triangle on the far side. And then another triangle on the inside there. But I'm going to try to leave this side bigger than this side, just because of the perspective in the ear. I'm going to pull this down a little bit, down into the eye area. Down here toward the middle of his head. Pull up. I think he was like a creation of Dr. Robotnik or Eggman. I forget what we call him in what version. I know he's Eggman in a lot of the video games. Up here for the ear. Same thing. Triangle. Over here on this side, up, down. And then I'm going to close this triangle off on that inside of the ear. Doing good? Alright. Going to pull out over here for like a spike on the side. Out. I'm going to go over here on this side and curve for the eye. And go over here and curve here for this side of the eye. Maybe I'm even going to pull a little bit down. A little bit down. I'm going to find the snout here, like kind of the nose area of Sonic, like that lower part of his mouth. I'm just going to draw a line over here to find that part. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually draw the spiked nose. Let me see. Out over here. In. It's like a cone. Tiny cone. And then I'm going to close off that cone over here with like a curve. Line over here, line over here, line over here. I mean, I'm just kind of closing off these, lines that weren't touching really. Gonna go pull this down a bit, and I'm gonna curve, roll that into this part of the eye. Alright. I'm gonna find the round part over here, around the side. And I'm gonna roll that over here as well. So, like the far end over here, he's gonna have kind of that lower cheek. Still gonna have that, and it's gonna roll in a circle down here. Right on. And then I'm gonna close this shape off by connecting it to this side. It's gonna be a triangular shape here. Really cool character. I'll draw his full body later, but right now we're just drawing the head. On his cheek, we're gonna draw a circle. Almost like a rosy cheek, but it's not. It is a gear, so I'm gonna draw a line through it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, by the way, if you like learning how to draw stuff, Sonic, and more. When you subscribe, it kind of lets you know when I post, and I post 3 times a day. I don't know who else posts as much as that, to be honest, at least an art channel wise. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna find the eye now. That's really important. It's gonna be a circle, and make it a little bit bigger than you think, and then a circle on the inside for the pupil and iris. Gonna go to the far end over here, do the exact same thing. right here. Same thing on the inside. And now I'm going to fill in this part right here. See this part? I'm going to fill this in. Oops. My head hit the light over here. Sorry. But yeah, just kind of filling this in. You can do this, like I said, in pencil as well. You can just kind of fill in this part. So the white of Sonic's eye is like a normal Sonic. This one's like dark. Probably to show like the recesses of the kind of mechanical, kind of thing going on there. All right, and let's keep moving here. I'm gonna put like a shine. You can do that, maybe like a circle here, a lightly drawn circle, and that's gonna like show like some sort of like robotic shine to it. And you know what? I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna draw his whole body. I'm gonna change my mind mid drawing here. Let's go to his shoulder. His shoulder is a line over here. Line over here. It's kind of like a box. Curve around up here. Down. Down over here as well. Kind of has this like gear thing going on. And there's going to be his upper arm coming out of that, which is literally just a stick. You can kind of run it all the way in, because I guess he's like a robot, and there's like gears or something going on. Down over here for the forearm. Curve. Down, it flares out just a bit. Pulls back. Let's go into his hand. His hand's going to go curve here for the back side of his hand. Pull up. Across here. Down. That's the back part of his hand, like the back palm. Up over here. In. Line. Line. Curve right there for one finger. Bam, bam. We gotta put a spike from that finger. You know, it's a little pinky finger. And then each finger you're gonna draw in like that. Like that first part's gonna look like a French fry or something. Let's give him 3 fingers there. And then we're gonna pull up. We're not even gonna do the I don't want to split the last 2 parts. That's good enough. And then we're gonna have a finger there behind it. So I like to split him into 2 parts, personally. I mean, I know the design would be a little bit different, but that's what I personally like to do. He's got a cool torso. It looks like a circle, so we're going to do that. Curve here, in, and we're going to pull up. So that's round. Okay? Now he's got like an engine in the front of his stomach here. So we are going to draw another circle, more of an oval shape this time, there. And another oval shape here. In the middle. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to fill that in. And I'm going to draw little lines. See that coming from the outside, pulling in. Oops. It's going to give it like a little bit of depth, like he's got this car engine in his stomach. Line over here for his legs. So the top part of his legs is a stick. Same thing on the far end right here for this shoulder pad and stick arm. Like the top part's a stick. Close that off. Find the forearm, which is straight. Down. Find that. And I'm going to find the back side of the hand, which is just a box. In. Over here would be the thumb, claw. Same thing on the other side. See that first part looks like a French fry, French fry, French fry, French fry, and then a claw sticking out of that. I'm gonna throw just a 1-stroke claw sticking out of that. All right. Down over here, lower leg. And we're going to vignette him over here. Down. down. You just draw like his foot. We're gonna vignette him over here. So the top part of the, I guess at the knee area, it's just this like shape like that. You can draw like a circle here, and I forgot about the circle here on the wrist because you know, there's like mechanical stuff going on. Curve down, down over here for the foot, which is pretty much just like touching the bottom of the page. Circle, circle, the bottom of the foot. Line across here, line across. Curve, 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 curve. And that's pretty much it. That is Metal Sonic. Hopefully you enjoyed that. You know, it's fun to do these things. Let me know what other character you want to see, or do you want to see maybe Metal Sonic versus Sonic? Like, really shout out and let me know, and I'll absolutely do it. You just gotta let me know. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Stick around for the announcement if you want to see more lessons. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.